I
Yes.
explode, but I don't document it, Ram, because of some office things.
Yeah, yeah. For me also it is there. Don't worry. But that and this we don't want, right? Right now also, even the section 8 level people are there in the call. I can't give excuse for canceling my session, right? You need to prioritize. It is a commitment means commitment, Subham. That's it.
These
I am all counterparts are here only.
same bomb are there. Bomb is here only. Like been involved in this all board of management things.
That
So
is the reason for every organization. That is the situation currently in 2026. Okay, but that to this don't mix it and all. You will do before enjoyment of your time is there, right? Maybe 30 minutes is not there. Prioritize. Hmm? Yeah, Rudra, for you also I surprised. First, I always I will start with Kalyan because Kalyan is the my intention is this week Kalyan and some people resumes I need to update. I thought like only Kalyan didn't done, but when I'm opening three more, four more people, really disappointed as well. That is the important concept. Without secure boot, your cyber security interview never be finished. You are a analyst, you are architect, that is a different story. They will ask secure boot. With secure boot, without secure boot. You guys know your laptop also that option only. Your secure boot is enable or disable. Okay. Coming back to secure JTAG, secure access, secure flashing, secure boot, authentic boot, trusted boot, the RTMD, these all are you implemented. Okay. Your HSM is not there in your microcontroller. What are the different features required? Any guesses?
Generally, no, every microcontrollers are coming with HSM, right? Most of
Generally,
them.
that is the it is a just like a mandate, not a mandatory, right? Still, you have so many controllers, you don't have HSM under. Okay, your project is a very less budget project. I can't offer that I need the HSM for project, right? My project is a low budget project.
Ram, are you recording?
Yeah, yeah, started. That is the one scenario when the you have a secure boot, secure boot is present, secure flashing is there, secure access is there, secure JTAG is there. Okay, HSM not present. That is the one use case. Second use case is HSM present. Okay, but HSM data flash is not available for some of your critical data, but you have a critical data. In these 17 members, 16 members of you all, anyone still working in airbag issues, guys? Anyone? Okay, airbag, maybe Gerard, anytime you worked for airbag? If airbag is not there, anyone worked for Toyota projects? In your experience, anytime you guys are worked for Toyota? Okay, in aerospace, you guys knows about heard about black box, right? In
Yes.
automotive, what is the black box?
EDA,
Hmm?
EDA sound, idiot.
Hmm. You didn't get
EDR.
direct EDR, right? Hmm. Assume like okay, you have a critical data, right? Even data recorder. When you don't have a HSM enough space is not there. Okay. Similar way of data, you will store, how you will store the data? Normal, you will store the data normally.
Secure drives we will maintain. Like the data will encrypt. Okay.
It is not, you are saying a small operation, right? It is not that much easy, right? You mentioned directly you will encrypt. Encrypt and where you will store.
Secure drives or secure storage areas.
Rudra, we are talking about where is the drive is available for you. You have an electronic control unit only, right?
Yes.
Then where is your drive is present?
I mean, some part of memory partitions around.
Some part of memory means which memory? Microcontroller memory, you have any external memory? Where?
NVMs or registers you can store.
Okay.
Room, RAM, I think.
Don't surprise me like now storage classes don't ask me on that. So, okay. If any evidence, if any evidence you required for what happened in our ECU for previous power on, then where you need to store in which memory you guys supposed to be store? RAM, ROM or NVM?
ROM or OM.
ROM. Okay. In which memory it will store?
ROM, ROM.
ROM. After in 20 years of the life, X you can possible to update,
Not possible. No,
erase,
possible.
erase is possible, right?
Yes.
In the live it is possible to update.
No.
Where it will store?
Yes. Uh, it will store it in stack.
Where? In which memory? This it will allocate your RAM memory allocation or ROM memory allocation or NVM memory allocation.
It's the RAM.
Okay. I need your previous power on data. It is possible to hold X previous power on value.
Yeah, we have to store it in NVM.
That is the way. Semiconductor guys means don't ask like a very, very strange or something. They will check your basics only. That's it. For example, something you will store in the ROM memory, that means it is constant for the life. Something you will store for RAM, current ignition cycle. You need previous power on status. Then you need to go for a non-volatile memory. That is the only very, very, very basic level differences. Okay, you will store some values in a, what are the critical materials you have? Critical, critical materials. You need to store. As per cybersecurity guys, what are your critical materials?
Key and
Keys and
Keys and
certificates.
certificates, right? Keys and certificates. Okay, agreed. Keys and certificates usually In where exactly we are storing?
HSM memory.
One use case is you don't have a no HSM. That is the first use case for no HSM, no HSM in our microcontroller, no HSM in project. Example. That is the first use case we will discuss. You don't have a HSM, critical materials, keys and certificates, where you will store?
NVM.
NVM,
ROM.
Rome.
Roma.
Yes, Ram.
That means key update is allowed or not allowed?
No.
Not allowed.
Key rotate is allowed or not allowed?
Not allowed.
Secure access implemented using a digital signature. Okay. Assume you have a digital signature and you produce nearly 2 million issues. Okay. So your PIN number compromised. Compromised the logic. Now, if key update or key you need to do something is not allowed, then very danger, right? You need to eliminate him, right? You need to revoke him and all, right? So that is the reason Rome. If you are keeping something in Rome, you always consider that a previous in the future you are performing any operations or are not. That also keep in your mind. You are not updating anything under, then it is fine. So key management system, you have 5 steps. First, you will generate the key, then you will inject the key, then you will verify the key, then you will rotate and you will revoke it also. Revoke means you are destroying that key. That particular vehicle, ABS 6B vehicle, VIN number ABS 6B, ABSC 6B, that particular vehicle, what you will do is you will revoke the your keys and all or certificates and all. That is the concept usually we will implement. Anyhow, erase you can perform the operation like a erase is possible or go for a reprogramming of the issue. That is a different story. Itself of that, still you will keep in a ROM. I'm okay. You will keep ROM, right? Okay. Assume like you are using a family from ST microcontrollers. So your ROM is downloadable, yes or no? ROM code is downloadable, yes or no? You are using as a microcontroller. Your complete read-only memory is downloadable, yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, really. Thomas, Subham, you are functional safety guys, right? So ROM code is downloadable. downloadable, yes or no? With alpha physical access, your room code is downloadable or not downloadable. You are so silent, Subham. With alpha physical access I given, okay? Your room code is based on I given a controller also. What controller I'm using? Your room code is downloadable or not downloadable? Assume like you have a 1 terabyte, 1 TB drive, USB drive. It is dead. For you, it's dead. It is not detecting. Existing technology, they can retrieve the data, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Someone is retrieving the data, then your room code is downloadable, yes or no? I'll take IC itself outside. I can download is possible or not?
Also,
Yes, sir. Without JTAG locking, we can do that.
With JTAG or without JTAG, that is secondary. With JTAG means you are saying that ECU functionality, it will work and all. Now my question is, this is the only my microcontroller. I will remove this microcontroller IC outside. I will retrieve the data. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay. That is yes. Then how you will store your key then? That means your keys are also came, right? Now your keys you will stored in a plain format or you will do any operations. Assume your key one you are using for secure flashing. So value is also you will take like a 4455661476. Assume this is the data, key one size data. Then how we will store?
Has
You will
below we can store.
then how we will store is a implementation. We don't want to go that level. Now, existing whatever you've done, maybe secure access, secure flashing, secure boot, secure JTAG. Itself of this particular key value, your assumption is what until today, your keys are stored in the HSM memory, right?
Yes.
That is the first use case. So you need a one more feature mandatorily required when you don't have the HSM. That is the first point. And second point is second use case is HSM present and no space for critical data. No space for critical data to store. This is the second use case. Assume you have a win number, but we don't have the space for storing the that. I think Rudra, you remember initial days. I asked you guys to prepare 15 critical signals. I given that such type of homework. What are the 15 critical automotive signals in your perspective? Maybe brake pedal status, vehicle speed, VIN number, power on counters. I given such a task or not at all?
No.
No.
Subham or SGD or Rudra or Ramesh?
No,
No,
Rama.
Ram.
No, not yet.
Okay, now onwards, that is the one homework, Karita. Please list out all of you. What are the top 15 critical data in the automotive? Top 15. Top 15 critical messages automotive issues. That is
Only I
required.
know UAN and VAN. Rest I don't know.
Yeah, you have some
Can wake up.
wake ups related you will call, or maybe you have a, other than that brake pedal status, driver seat belt related, airbag related, some ABS related, some ADAS related, some. You have a lot of.
Okay.
Okay. So top 15 you can list out. Rama, these all are your 15. Okay. In that way, second use case is that one only. HSM is present, but you know don't have a space to critical data to store in the bin. That is the one thing. Even though your HSM is filled with your keys and certificate, but secure boot data reference table is don't have a space to store. Secure boot reference table, everyone prepared? Maybe second time implementation time, I will ask you to prepare. But secure boot reference table, you know, right? Serial number, that it will take each row some bytes, right?
Yes.
Rudra, anyone can refer? Usually, how many parameters that day we prepared? Secure boot reference table also, one of the example. Then secure life cycle. Secure life cycle state also. Power on counter also. Some data, okay, some critical data is present, but you don't have a hardware security module to support. At that time, now this is the time I need analyst group, Gerard, Kalyan, Akshay, Yugandhar, and you five guys, Venkat also. What type of properties are important for you guys? You have a critical data, but storing purpose, you don't have a HSM.
You want us to start discussing now?
That is the one part. Before going for a discussion, you can think like a secure storage is a optional concept or secure storage is a mandatory concept.
Mandatory.
Mandatory concept. Secure storage at the time of RFQ, you will raise the concern, or at the time of R&D, you will raise the concern.
RFQ and sourcing.
Okay, RFQ. Analyst point of view, RFQ itself, you will check that how much critical data is there and whatever selected controller it is supporting or not, right? Okay,
Yeah.
perfectly fine for me. So that is clear. I hope your group is agreed for that RFQ with thought point. Okay to discuss. Yeah, please go ahead.
All right, so I'm thinking, since we don't have the HSM, I'm thinking confidential will be one of our properties since we want to capture. Let me see who's all on the call. Akshay, Kalyan.
Confidentiality and integrity.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. Akshay, you agree with that as well? All right, silence is consent. So yeah, so confidentiality and integrity is properties I think we'll go with. Actually, I'm not sure if you're talking. I see your mic lighting up, but I don't hear you.
Venkat, you are in the call. Kalyan, Yugandhar,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
you already know, right? Your data is not coming out also. Your data, you zoom like in such a way. Okay. Uh, you have your party way, but you don't have a secret place to store. You don't have a space to store. That is the one flow. You have a secret storage space, cupboard or something. Okay, that cupboard completely full. Only what you will do, low priority, high priority, right? For example, whatever the party wear cost, this is 2 lakhs, then anything less than 2 lakhs you stored, then you replace. That is the one option is there always. HSM is present means. Assume like a, you have a some dress in outside, okay, you don't have a space to store inside the cupboard. Then how secretly you will store? So where other option? What is the other option you look? Yugandhar, you are connecting purpose, I'm telling you. So you have a in your laptop. Okay.
Yes.
I given that 20 GB data is the secret place. You keep that 20 GB, your data never read by others. Okay. But
Okay.
suddenly that 20 GB is full. Again, I given like a 512 MB data. Then where you
Valid
will store, how you will store.
a replacement validation of
A replacement is
like
not the right thing, right? Replacement is a right option. That is the reason I got a, students will replace a strict teacher. You guys are remember that? I will always like a strict teachers. Who tortured me? I am the Ram currently. That's it. I respect my teachers who tortured me. How many will you guys will respect? This guy always tortured homework, this type of things. My kid itself, he will tell and all. I teach you guys in the January 1st also class. He's studying in 7th class. He told that if I am the teacher of their classroom, they will say that they will complain about principal. This guy is not giving a holidays and all. So I already giving alternate days. That is the reason. This guy also, when I designed the course, he didn't like my proposal for everyday class. Your model is like this. I don't attend your class like that. He given the feedback. Then I changed the style. Okay, alternate days. Somehow you told that alternate days also. His alternate days came like a some important day. For him is it important, right? Then I debated. So, such a way when you are going for any model or anything, please word with your inside That is the reason. First, you need to win inside, then come out. Similarly, now you need to store the data inside the ECU. It not be visible to outside. I'm not retrieving data out. How I will retrieve data when I will explain the communication, I will teach you. Still your data in the inside the ECU only. But you don't have a space to store secretly.
So on this side, we need to encrypt the data. Yeah.
They Ramesh
And
voice, right?
yes.
Hey,
Yes,
don't,
Ramesh.
hey, Ramesh, don't jump into their side. They
Okay.
are discussing, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, they given already confidentiality. Okay, confidentiality, integrity. Any other property also?
Availability.
Availability. Okay. Okay. Then,
Yeah, I think reputation also should be, since it is already out of storage space, it is encrypted right now. So
okay,
reputation.
well, you can select first whatever creation. Then,
So should we take these four as goals and other two as claims? Or, yeah, team action, Kalyan, Gerald. You can do.
Yeah. Yeah, I think
But
this is a good loop there. Yeah.
but authentication, I think identifying check it is right. So I think is it not necessary?
uh,
Authentication. So
assume like a still you are in the ECU. It is a standalone. In the automotive level, authentication you already know, right? Your identity I'm checking means multiple ways. You, secure access time, I will say that it is a authentication check for me. Apart from that, some other way also, you will check first your identity. Your identity is passed, then you are accessing the data. Why not? You can keep authentication also.
Okay. Yeah, I feel authentication is required.
yeah, but as you mentioned, as of now, considering only the standalone ECU, authentication is already, how to say,
Okay,
like,
access.
yeah, it is there in access. So
Secure access.
yeah,
Okay.
uh, only considering the storage point of view is what I think primarily considered, right? Like, so authentication and authorization,
Can be a
uh,
claims.
yeah, can be claimed.
Yeah, in that case, we will go by these four, and then that two it will be claims.
Yeah, is it okay for all or any other opinion? So,
Yeah, yeah, it's okay for me.
You're
That makes
Yes,
sense.
it's okay.
So then authentication and authorization, you are taking a claim. Huh? Think a
Yes,
while.
sir.
For example,
Okay.
okay, assume like your family, you are four brothers. Okay. Four brothers. Yugandhar, you know
Yeah.
me, right?
Yes.
Okay, instead of four brothers, four roommates. Okay, Yugandhar having a costly dress. Who's the first guy will wear? Yugandhar, tell. Ram, right? Then your authorization is not there. Always, you never wear that dress. At least
Hmm.
you didn't put a rule, right?
Yeah, we didn't put.
Then cupboard you kept. Then I will. It is not a secret of your cupboard, right? It
Yes.
is open space.
Hmm.
You already know, right? Our rules how we set it, including cleaning, right?
Yes, yes.
That is that. Including cleaning
Condition.
off of that day work, including
Each
cleaning
person.
also. Each person rotate. You take a rotation is possible. One day you will do, then next day I will do your service. That is different. So be careful that. So your authorization is really required, you guys, or anyone can access your key.
The
Ye-
authorization,
But
they should not. They should not write, actually.
Okay, then I will tell you. You don't have a authorization, like this will happen. They will directly access the, otherwise they will ask this guy, I need that service. Only this guy will approve. That is the differ between a authorization.
Okay.
That means a trusted execution environment is a in-between module. Whenever you need a HSM is required, then they will give the service to the trust TE. TE will inform to the HSM. Yeah, please respond.
So we'll need authorization as one of our
Yes.
goals.
No, that is my side. If I am in your list, I will say the self of this debate, then I will pull the debate this way. Yeah.
But one doubt of mine is we were discussing about as such this ECU was a single component. Even we have not added the communication part in the playwright. So accessing the single component is restricted to only the authorized people, or maybe already the authorized access only.
One minute, 1 minute. You will assume always. Key is the assume. Key is a single element, right?
Mhm.
Key
Yes.
is a single element. Assume like you stored a memory location is 0x 2000. This is the address you stored. Your element is your element is a string single. This memory location is aware about all the people, yes or no?
Yes.
That is the authorization means anyone knows about that also. You need read the data, write the data.
Exactly.
First, please ask location 0x 5000. That means you have your individual duty. First, you need to ask head cook, right? What to cook. It is not your wish. You know only tomato curry, then you will every day you will prepare your duty time tomato. That is not allowed. That is also openly we will take a vote. In five roommates means we will ask which curry we need to prepare. Otherwise, there also we will put a rotational only. 7 days, toughest curry also you need to prepare. You can recall in home also similar manner. When you have a roommates, right? Then some guy what he will prepare always egg curry only. Otherwise, you will prepare curd rice. That's it. That is the way. So when you are have a strict rules, sir, you need to come up. So your location 5000 will tell that you have a access to 2000 is allowed or not allowed. That is nothing but a authorization, Venkat.
Okay. Okay.
But when you are looking outside, it is a independent location. It is also independent location. I'll agree. When you are suddenly seeing outside or maybe memory wise, your that is a unique element only. But accessing level, you have the authorization level.
Okay.
You will see your class teacher, department head, principal. When you are outside of the campus, you look it. These three people are three different people, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, your class teacher informed you that get out of the class. This guy a pet of department head. Then you will forcibly you will come, right? That is the you nowadays you also calculate in your organizations, right? When there's announced that 20% reduction, 10% reduction, these will all pop up. How much partialities and it is a fair game? No, right?
No.
Everywhere also. When you are storing the without HSM, always a really toughest job for cyber security guys. So finally, now how many properties we selected? Confidentiality,
Integrity.
integrity, availability,
Availability.
repudiation, authorization
And
as well.
authorization.
Authorization. Okay. Okay. Authorize. Finally, these are the cybersecurity goals for you. Best way of this. Authentication is also required. Your wish. Anyhow, you are keeping authorization. First, you will check the identity, right? This function identity, then you will go authentication also. You can take means take. Your wish. No, no, no. This we can't keep it like a only some people I can use for my key. Anyone can without identity. Anyhow, authorized guy I given the list table. Then authentication is not required directly. You can authorize.
My doubt is that we are building this secure storage on top of secure access already, right? So
Secure, that is the reason I'm telling you. Secure access, anyhow, you will get a three properties. Okay.
uh,
For
hmm,
example, now I will give the clue. Assume like this is your ECO. Okay. Your question is, you are giving a 22 service, you will read the data. 2E services, you will write the data. Yes or no?
yes.
Apart
Yes.
from that, apart from that, event based, event based, you can write the data, write and read also, you need to perform. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to cross check.
When, when via diagnostic, authentication I already considered. That is the reason initial stage I stopped you guys because these three properties in my list already. But in the event based time, you will check only identity, then you are accessing, or only authorizing and accessing, reading and writing you are performing. That is the call. That is the reason here function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4 is your identity. If it is a, you are checking
Yes.
identity and you are going, then you will take authentication also in the secure storage. No problem. Identity also important. You can take it. As for me, C is important, I is important, authentication important, okay, repudiation important, okay, availability important,
Authorization.
authorization also important. Now I will give a different style to the architect. I have budget only for two properties. That is the way. Your job is done. I given a explanation to you all. Analyst, you have. Now I will play as a managerial. Architects will play as a once we connected again immediately. Now this is the place budget game will come and all. I can't provide each and everything for budget, right? You have your own reasons also. That is the critical data. It is non-critical data. As an analyst, you never own critical data risk from your side. That is the one part. And the second part, Thomas, yeah, this is the high performance issue, and you connected with your small issue. You will call as a via small issue. Okay. And this you have some iOS you connected iOS. Okay. Here also you connected some IOs. Okay. This is the only LIN connection. LIN. Okay. But here you have externally, you have the Ethernet, you have the CAN here, but your high performance ECU to small ECU, it is a LIN communication only. LIN. That too, it is a private LIN, not global LIN, private LIN. So this connection is private. Private means you already know, right? Until physical access, someone, your line never be available. But one thing is, this IOS, it is diagnosable via global line. Someone, for example, Ankit is giving a service, right? Rama, give me IO number 34, how it is working. It is functional or non-functional or faulty or short to gown, short to bat. Whatever the status you need, I need to respond back via private link. At that time, Venkat Guru, I need your opinion. This private link, as a cybersecurity guys, you are proposing any concept or not. If you are proposing some concept, then private link, what type of concepts you will propose? Why you are proposing? What are the top attacks are happened? This is the your homework for next class. Because we are very close to the communication level of security. Start with a private link. So then it is very easy to understandable by the upcoming classes on the top. What are the top attacks happen in the world? They will always access a global line or private line. After attacking, they will, anytime, for example, Venkat, your laptop is there in your house. Okay. You saved your own identity and you done. Okay. Your home laptop I taken. Okay. Then I decoded your password. Taken means it is a physical access, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Then I decoded your password time. I will revolve only outside public phrase. I hacked the Venkat laptop or first sentence also I will add. I went to Venkat home and I took it laptop and I hacked that one. I will always highlight myself, right?
Yes.
Such a way. You have a private link. That means our assumption is what? A private link who can touch? No one can touch private line, right? You need to touch your private line, then you need to come to physically and remove the ECU. Kalyani, here private lin is a difficult for you means automotive Kalyan and Yugandhar. That private place, anything you can take, any line you can take.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
any communication is a communication. Otherwise, Kalyan and Kalyan Yugandhar, they will talk privately. Someone via how you are talking that private connection up to you guys. Via private Ethernet line or here remaining all three guys, Akshay, Venkat, Thomas, you consider only link first level. Private link, any property is important or all properties as a analyst, Rama, we can take it as a client. That I needed by next class homework, you guys. That is the one. Now coming back to the year, they selected for all 6 properties. Okay. Because private link purpose, I have a small valid reason. Still you are in the ECU means private only. That time we selected 6 properties as an architect group. Bhaskar, Surya is not there. Only now Ramesh, Subham, and SGD. Okay. I will give budget only for a 3 properties. What are the top 3 you can select?
Integrity, authorization, and repudiation.
Okay, I will tell. Okay, 1 minute.
Availability is the one first I choose.
Okay, then Yugandhar having a 4 lakhs cash. Rama is a that guy never have cash. He's have a cash, he will eat it. That's it. Evening itself, he will finish everything. But this guy keep in a cupboard this 4 lakhs rupees. Okay, Rama sitting here and Yugandhar cupboard is visible. His cash is visible. Then he will torture, yes or no? Like, give me something, give me something. Yes or no?
Yes.
Uh, yeah, that is the way. So now, whatever you mentioned, confidentiality you missed me, that is the happen. Your key is there, right? Please give me. Other guy don't know about what is that, right?
Yeah. But still, I have the control. Like, if I don't want to give, then
No,
I
this
mean,
guy is a this guy. You are a rude guy, right? Some become a rude, then they will say that they will display also showcase, but they don't do you anything, right?
yeah.
So that is different. That way, staying purpose, it will take a lot of time also, right? That is the reason. You need the confidentiality or not. I'm giving a top 3 properties. One, you told the integrity. Okay.
From my side also, team, it's confidentiality and authentication also.
Need authentication also, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
There,
we are
which one you will
providing,
play more? Which one it will play more powerfully? Availability, confidentiality. Subham,
First,
you
confidential. First is priority is a confidentiality.
confidentiality. Okay.
Then integrity. How we are taken.
I
Then
think between authorization and authentication, only one we can take authorization because
Yeah,
when
yes, authorization
authorization,
can be.
Rudra, you will see Rudra,
but as
SGD,
per
Subham,
rule,
and
authentication is
Ramesh.
the first. Yeah.
Okay. How many are there also? It is not available, then what is the point?
Exactly.
Then now you guys will take care about always it's supposed to be available is the high priority. You need to select only 3. Three, you have 4 out of that one you need to select which one you guys will select. Yeah.
Availability, confidentiality, and authentication.
Because you will see your secure reprogramming, your key is not available, but you have a authentication, authorized person, authentication mechanism, everything is there, but key is not available. Then it is a problem, right?
Mm.
Yes.
yeah, availability is required.
If I will tell explanation, then it will, okay, availability, I told you some explanation. Now I am telling you, your, it is integrity is protected, confidentiality is protected, availability is also there. Authenticated user is not there, someone came and he flashed that. It is fine for you?
Can you repeat what
So little
scenario?
bit as confidentiality is there, na. So
He can't change the key if integrity is there, even if he is flushing, but he won't be able to replace the key or modify the
Uh,
key.
you can't modify the key, but you delete the key also. For example, how we are one intelligent fellow always how you know how to escape from the work very intelligent manner only, right?
Yeah. Uh,
If
So
he is a
authorization.
authenticated guy and authorized guy, they never do. But he is not a authorized guy. Someone you are keep on calling and hey, please serve the service. Why they are torturing me and all? What he will do? He will delete that key only. That key is not there, then no one will ask the for today. Otherwise, every 5 minutes they are calling. My work is pending.
Okay.
So
So
that is that
authorization.
for me. I will take a repudiation. I will take evidence is required. Someone deleted your key. Ah, no. My key is available. Then mandatorily, I'm also okay with you.
I think availability and authorization is mandatory, and between confidentiality and integrity, we can consider one according to
Confidentiality,
me.
confidentiality and integrity. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I will tell. Okay. Same example only. You kept confidential. Okay. From modified to 2 lakhs one fine day. That's it. We done so many times to Yugandhar. Then where is the your track record for that? In the memory locations, I'm telling you, integrity is a 200% required property. Not only 100%, integrity never compromise. Integrity is always mandatorily required. Confidentiality, I'm telling you, it is a secret material. Please keep, don't expose publicly. Keep confidential. So then budget is the concern, right? Then now it is a debatable topic. So
Yeah.
here today I brought the budget, right? So today I brought the budget. So you can, which one you will take, up to you. So internal operation time, external operation, you already know, right? You have the availability, authentication, and authorization. Externally means what? Someone can read your data, right? Someone can read your data. So the reading data, how they will do via diagnose only, right?
Yes.
Via diagnose only, right?
Yes.
That time anyhow you have the availability, you have the authentication, you have the authorization. But inside also I told you are sometimes you will read the data, you will write the data, you will read the data. Inside operations also. That time availability will play major role, authentication play major role, authorization play major role, repudiation play major role.
So authorization.
But Ram, budget is for only two properties, right? I mean, if we
Top three.
okay, okay. The integrity and
Hmm.
confidentiality, if you take, right, that is next is accountability, means non-repudiation we can take, okay, so we can have the accountability to what is any redundant operations are performed or anything are operated on that, so we can keep
That time
this.
what will happen, you know? Your ECU running time, you don't have a authorization property and authentication property that you keep in your mind. When you are ECU running time, you already know, right? You never be diagnosable. That is only your key is worked only, you will assume like a your key working time with the diagnosis is mandatorily required, then you are right. Your key, I need it only without diagnosis also. Then you are incorrect, right, Rudra? If, for example, your vehicle is running for 50 kilometers per hour, that means what? It is a live, right? It is not diagnosable, right?
Yes.
Okay, that time, whatever you are storing critical material functionality is there or not also, please look at. Assume like a secure boot key RTMD configured. RTMD. Secure boot is also, you will say that Rama not yet started. Assume like RTMD. Runtime manipulation detection. You are using for the keys, key number 6. This is the perfect example for you guys. This key, this key is required for you guys for when you are not diagnosing a time also for cyber security people. Until whatever I explained, this is the one key you required. So that time, this key functionality, its authentication, its authorization is the important. Availability is the important, or someone deleted means you need a log is the important. Which one?
Availability and log are important.
You have only one chance, right? You already selected confidentiality and integrity. Then you can able to pick only one more option.
Availability.
Availability.
If we compromise with the confidentiality, then we have a two, right?
Hmm?
We can make it as a claim since we are having a digital signature which we carried for maintaining the integrity. So confidentiality can be a claim, right?
No, no, no. Hey, digital signature property itself, because of that only I will give you the budget. You are not selecting property. Why should I will give for a digital signature to you? Digital signature I'm keeping means what? You need the integrity, confidentiality, repudiation, authenticity. You are asking me like a budget certificate wise you will do for digital signature. I will ask these all properties important or not. Your managers are not dumb and all, right? Based on your property only, you need to select your crypto operation also, Subham.
Agree.
Yeah. So here you will say that is the example I told you, right? One is the vehicle is running time. Another one is vehicle is diagnosable time. Vehicle is diagnosable time. Anyhow, you have the properties, availability, authentication, authorization. You already selected. So vehicle is running time. If someone is giving a 3 properties budget, integrity, confidentiality, you will take availability or authorization or repudiation or authentication.
Yeah, integrity, confidentiality, and availability will take.
Yeah.
Plus authorization means authorization and reputation.
Okay. 1 minute.
At the time of running the car, so if any tampering is happened, we can find. Okay, so that we can take as a property only, and this authorization, and this we can make as a claim because only
Okay.
unauthorized. uh, I'm thinking how to frame a
I hope
sentence.
Arita, our team is maintaining this one, right? Properly. You will see these guys confidentiality, integrity, availability, authorization. Okay. Claims. Finally, what happened? They took the claims also. That is up to architect level decision. Repudiation and authenticity, they take in the claim. But here I'm not giving that much budget. That is the my fault. So now you have only one more option, availability or authorization. You are also almost similar. You guys came for a similar. I'm telling you today is the fifth one, right? I need to, Arita, please take that also. Everyone's supposed to be maintain the table. Second time when we are explaining, we need to talk about goals only, right? Not clients. Each concept, Arita, serial number, concept name, cyber security goals, cyber security analyst proposed properties, agreed cyber security goals, and cyber security claims. I hope, Venkat, you are maintaining your table, right?
I'm writing it in the test framework.
Table you can make one table.
Okay.
Okay. You will see Excel columns also, serial number, open Excel sheet, Arita, I will tell.
Yes.
Ramesh, what time your interview?
Not for today. I having other interview. Run.
No, these guys called or not?
No, no. Just they share asked for share some data.
Vijay, yeah?
No, some girl.
Okay.
But I having
Shared
some other calls also.
today,
Yeah, today and tomorrow also.
tomorrow as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Related to cyber or normal one?
One tomorrow related to cyber.
Which company?
Micron.
Micron,
This
Hyderabad
time.
Micron.
Yeah, yeah.
Micron guys means, oh, you guys are keeping confidential also, na? Ramesh?
No, no, no.
Why? I told you, right? You need to update a resume this weekend. How
No.
cyber keywords, how you updated immediately? No problem, but
Just I shared you na
I-
the resume, same
uh,
resume.
uh, okay, no problem. All the best. And hmm?
Yeah, no, but
Yeah,
yeah,
serial
first I will know the how it will be the scope. That is the reason.
missing opportunity is also limit, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Uh, you will assume like Ram is the interviewer.
Okay.
I will ask only my colleagues' properties. I will ask only properties. That's it. Properties are strong. I will write here 4,000. Okay, data. Then I will ask that keep confidential. Then you will say answer to me. I will put a tag. Then my HR will get back to you. That's it. You will say that
Yeah.
I will put a tag. This is confidential. Huh? I given 4,000 data. I asked them to keep confidential. Again, he exposed 4,000, yes or no? Ramesh, for you only I'm asking. Ramesh, I'm unable to hear you.
Yes, Ram.
Here you have a confidentiality, yeah?
No, no.
I given the 4,000 rupees.
Okay.
I told you to please keep confidential. Then you are giving an answer like I will write 4,000 and I will keep a tag. You are maintaining a tag is which property?
Integrity.
Integrity.
Ramesh, why is not right? First guy.
Yes.
This is which property?
Integrity.
Before you are going for a first level of interviews, I will stretch mock level, then I will send you all. No problem, all the best. Okay, don't misuse the interview on that. Okay. Serial number Arita, cyber security concept name, analyst proposed properties, agreed cyber security goals, and cyber security claims. Agreed cyber security claims. This one, please maintain the table. So analyst guys, how many properties are proposed? How many are agreed? How many agreed for claims? Okay, top three, then I can take integrity, confidentiality, availability, or integrity, confidentiality, authorization.
Integrity, confidentiality, and authorization.
Availability.
Fine.
Otherwise, is
Authorization
there any?
only.
Okay. Otherwise, confidentiality, integrity, authorization. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, this is the important. Assume like a once you power on the ECU, your memory is always available. That is the way we can little bit. When the budget is concerned, that you can push to management also. Availability, replication, authentication.
Mhm.
Okay, these are our properties. Now coming to the developers, confidentiality, secure storage time. You need to do confidentiality. What you guys will do?
Encryption.
Encrypting the
Okay, do encryption. Integrity,
CMAC.
you go for a
CMake.
CMAC only. Okay. Authorization,
Authorization will go role-based control.
role-based control. Okay. We'll see. Any something role-based access control, something, some table you will implement, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then for test framework, Anand, secure storage, your framework is your clients also you are preparing the framework or you compromised Arita and Anand.
Yes.
For example, once power on the ECU reprogrammable possible. That is the requirement. Once power on the ECU, reprogramming is possible. Shall be reprogrammable. Shall be reprogrammable. Then you will power on the ECU and you will keep voltage how much level?
13 volts.
That is the normal
Basic.
basic, right? Then
Yeah.
tester what they will do? Lower voltage and over voltage they need to do, right?
Yes. It can be directly done with the
Under
power
voltage and over voltage they need to do, right?
6 volts.
Under and over voltage also they need to do.
Yes.
That is the way. If I am telling a claim, that means what? It is agreed by organization, right? As a tester, you need to prove that it is possible to attack why you agreed. Then they will change the mind, right? At least you didn't release the product. Someone is agreed means what? Because of they don't have the budget. Otherwise, something happened also. Your risk is minimal. But tester will showcase like a risk is not minimal, risk is a very wider range. Then maybe management will think about their mindset, right? So that is the sorry, I need to step out quickly. So that is the reason Arita and Anand, your test framework supposed to be looks in these directions.
Okay.
Claims also, I need to see you all, your claims also like this, agreed goals and cybersecurity claims and proposed cybersecurity globes by analyst and your concept name and serial number until we done 5. Okay. So next one, tomorrow, next class, we will discuss about. And Sunday, mostly by first level, I will try to close discussions. Then we will update our resumes on that. Okay.
A
Five
quick
people.
question
Yeah.
regarding the. Hello.
Uh,
Do you have time, Ram?
hello.
Hello, Ram. I have a quick question.
Yeah, Srikant. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so here in the authorization, now everything will be accessed through memory and functions, right? When it comes to,
That is
for
the
example, storing the.
that is the reason I given right here. How you are accessing HSM via what?
Mhm.
This is the authorized guy.
Okay, okay. So we will be using this method for that
That
authorization.
authorization that way one, right? One guy will be
Yeah.
present always in between. You need to go to required person. You need to authorize.
Okay.
Every person, every team lead having a PA, na? Only department that having a PA.
Only department.
Why? Is time is minimal, right? 9 hours.
Yeah.
That girl is supposed to be prioritized. Whom to come, whom not to come.
Okay.
Uh,
Got it.
yeah.
And I also have one question, Lama. So the secure storage will be implemented in the ROM section, is it?
That we'll see in the development level. Okay, I will tell you another way. Uh, for example, your values, your data, one time writable. You will go for a row. Your data, every power on, you don't know in which power on that action will happen. Then you will go for NVM, right?
Yeah.
That is the way.
Okay.
Uh, okay, then I need to step out that my office meeting. I need to spend some 5 minutes for these guys, and I need to step out at least. Any other guy other than that batch? Any you guys are having any open questions? I hope your homeworks are clear. Same picture only, right? For example, secure storage. It is a mandatory feature or optional feature. That is the first level, Rudra and group. Okay. Second level is you need to explore that what are the 15 critical elements you are storing securely. That is the second level of homework. And third one, you need to know about in which scenarios, even though HSM selection after that, in the RFQ itself, where Thomas mentioned, right, RFQ itself, we need to decide, we need the secure storage, yes or no. That is also what basis you will decide. That means, who's the right person to decide, architect only. How much critical data you have the effort from HSM. Your HSM is sufficient or not. And homework, please give it as a serious and all. Next time you are going for a implementation level, very difficult you will face. So see you all Saturday. So there I will finish the mostly by UCU level of features. You have only 2 more.